So I think the little modification I'm going to do today is going to be quite controversial. Yo guys, what's up and welcome back to the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. As always, my name's Amber and today we are filming an Abarth video, and here is said Abarth. My modified Abarth 595 Trofeo is sitting behind me and we are at the rear of the car for a reason. And this ain't no clickbait title, guys. This is going to make the Abarth look 100% better in my eyes. I'm going to do a really cheap, easy, free modification to the Abarth, so let's get into the video. So this is yet again one of those videos that I should have filmed a long time ago, because I've had this idea in my head for a while, I just haven't got around to doing it. Plus it's a modification I need to do myself, and usually when I do modifications myself, I don't end up doing them myself. I have to call in for reinforcements, for help, as in my dad. So you can click on the card above and see what happened last time I tried to fix my car myself. And yeah, I didn't really end up doing it myself, if I'm completely honest, but this time I'm going to give it a go. So I think the little modification I'm going to do today is going to be quite controversial, so please let me know in the comments below your honest thoughts. I'm not actually doing, it is technically a modification, but I'm actually taking something off the Abarth in order, in my opinion, for it to look better. I've obviously come across some Abarths on Instagram pages, and I think that's probably where I've got the idea from, and it was something like quite obvious. Like I didn't realise this certain bit popped out, but when it's popped out it makes a really big difference to the rear of the car. So let's talk about what I'm going to do today. I haven't really given much away yet, guys, have I? So basically this video is about taking these out, the inserts to the triangular rear lights we have on the Abarth models. I'm not quite sure if it's stuck on or clipped on, so let's find out. So basically under this, I didn't realise, when I seen photos of this done on the Abarths, I thought to myself, God, what rear lights have they got on their Abarths? And I was googling it, I just found out it's literally, you take the insert out and it's obviously just a clear red light behind it, like a clear red panel. And yeah, I thought it was like people have different rear lights in their Abarths. It's not, it's just they've taken the insert out, but I think it makes a lot of difference. And I think to see the rear light without the yellow insert, that flash of red would look really cool. So let's show you the tools and let's try and do this myself, she says. You guys will be pleased to know I actually used to work in a body shop, so I have heard of such things as these, I've forgotten the bloody word now, haven't I? Trim tools. So I literally bought a pack on Amazon, a bright orange pack, so hopefully they won't get lost, and these were about £3 to £4. I'll just show you what sort of tools and angles these have got on them. So tool wise, I've got a double edged one of these, I've got one of these things, a longer, I'm going to call these little forks, but I think the tool which might be better for the job might be this little thing here. Just listen to that back, there wasn't a very good description, but I'm just going to call these trim tool things. So yeah, you can see I've got 4 here. So I've also got microfiber cloth just to sort of wedge in between if I can. So look at my little pointers. Right, let's give this a go at taking off the inserts. Let's go. Right guys, I'm a bit nervous. I think I'm going to go for this pointy tool, and the edge is such a little gap that I don't think I'm going to be able to put a cloth over the tool in order to make sure I don't chip off any paint as such. To be honest, I don't think I'll really be bothered if I do chip any paint off, because they'll be coming off anyway. I suppose I'm just really assuming that these are clipped on and hopefully they come off, and if I want them to go back on, they'll go on easily as well. Excuse the noise, guys. Well, excuse the wind, it's a windy day. Let's give this a go then. Oh, it's going to be hard, okay. Jesus, gap is so small. I'm a bit scared. Right, let's just try it at this angle. Oh, I don't like that noise. It's going to be impossible. Ah. So I'm going to try this tool now. The thing is, guys, I've tried looking this up on YouTube and there's no videos, so I'm really unsure if, whether they just clip out. I've got no video to even watch. Oh, you just won't come out, will you? How on earth do you get these out? So I am being literally too much of a girl, as Martin said, because Martin's come out here and he's just been a bit more manly with the tool. And we've got a little bit open now, but it's actually glued on. It's not a case of just unclipping it. So if I definitely want these to come out, which I think I do, I'm going to have to obviously remove all the glue sticky pads underneath. So they are stuck on and not clipped on. So obviously Martin's got the tool far enough in there. Do you want to carry on removing it? So yeah, under this insert, they seem to be sort of bonded on with some gluey type sticky pads. Here is the insert. So the insert itself has got clips on. And you can see there, it's like when you put on a number plate, you can either screw it on or glue it on. They've basically done both. And there's like, that's where the clips must go into. So I have obviously got Martin here now, who's a bit more braver. So it's just a case of unsticking the glue from underneath the insert. Now we know they're bonded on. Is that it? Should we just... Oh, yes. They are both off now. We're just gonna pick off the glue strips. Sticky strips, whatever you want to call it. Is it coming off, yeah? And then I might have to tar and glue the light and obviously clear out the light where the insert has been and dust has been collecting behind the insert or whatever. Thanks, Martin, for doing this. I was a bit too fretful, weren't I?
It's your baby, that's why.
You've done a modification to my baby, darling. Is it coming off here? Just needs a bit of agitation, I suppose. Oh yeah, it does come off, doesn't it? It's oh, it comes off alright actually, doesn't it? So we're just going around with some tar and glue just to take some of the sticky residue off that is a bit more stubborn. Here is one we've done earlier, or Martin's done earlier. I picked off the glue with my nails and Martin's gone along and tarred and glued it. It looks like a little diamond behind there, so crystal and clear. Let's shut the boot, Martin, and see what it looks like. It looks really cool from here.
With this special strap.
There you are. Oh yeah! It looks like American sort of spec, doesn't it? Oh, it's very red, isn't it, darling? No, it's still only the outside. It might reflect in the dark off the middle bit, mightn't it? So there we have it, guys. What I might do is I might just film a bit of the night time. I'm just intrigued to see if the outside of the light sort of lights up the middle just with reflections and stuff, because the whole bit might light up sort of accidentally. Nah, it doesn't really make a difference, to be fair. That looks nice though, doesn't it? All lit up in the dark. My little LED number plate lights there as well. No, they don't really...
Not what you thought.
No. Do the brake lights again?
Keep them on.
Yeah. Yeah, so that lights up the middle of that bit.
Is it?
Yeah, take off. On. Yeah, it looks really nice when you brake. But yeah, I just love obviously the yellow, and we've got the bright red of the rear lights now sticking in your face. I love it. There we have it, guys. What do you think? Be honest with me. Let me know in the comments below. Do you rate it or do you hate it? I like it. Just adds a bit more colour to the rear of the car. I've always liked the yellow and red combo, and now we've got it on the rear. I mean, I could tint this, but like I said, I like it being really crystal red. I really like the look of it. So yeah, it turns out it was just bonded on, glued on, whatever you want to call it. There was no, well, Insert has got clipped, but it was clipped on and glued on. I was too afraid to really put some effort into sort of getting those trim tools in and sort of working it up. So I got my fiance Martin to do it. Again, we've both worked in body shops before, not doing body repairs, valeting, but Martin's obviously seen how rough you sort of have to be, and I was just too scared to be rough with the inserts. But he put a bit more of a manly effort into it, and sure enough, they started unbonding from the bond. So yeah, this is a video which I hope, you know, some of you might find interesting. Like I said, I've already tried to YouTube it myself and there wasn't a video like this on there. This was just a cheap little mod, cheap way to transform the rear of your Abarth. All it cost me was the trim tools, which were about £3 or £4, like I say. Obviously I'll keep the inserts. If I want to put them back in, I can clip them in and glue them back in like they originally were, so that's not an issue. So if you've liked this video, if you like this mod, then like I say, let me know in the comments, and if you don't like it, let me know in the comments also. If you like this video, do give it a big fat like. Make sure you subscribe and be part of the Driven 24/7 YouTube gang. And make sure you hit that bell so you're notified every time video goes live. Do hit it, otherwise you'll be missing out on Abarth content. And thanks for watching. Follow me on all my social medias at the end of the video. I've got a brand new website coming very, very soon, as I am going into a bit of a different, exciting business venture. So watch this space. I've told you before, 2021 is Driven 24/7's year. I'm making it happen on YouTube and just in general. So thanks for your support, guys, means a lot, and I'll see you in another video. Rate it or hate it, let me know. And this ain't a clickbait title, guys. This title is